are you guys doing today? Yeah, I'm back with another video. Today I'm doing a clothing haul for my Pretty Little Thing package that came in today. Here it is. It's not a lot. It looks like a lot, but isn't it? It's not that much stuff in here.
Yeah. See, I'm not your mercy lady. You gon' get this work today.
Okay, that's enough. So I need to go get some socks because when I try on these outfits, I don't think I'm gonna put on shoes with them. So I'm gonna put on some socks so I won't be in my slippers. So I'll be back. Okay, y'all. So I'm filming a TikTok video too, so y'all gonna see me do that. So the camera, my phone camera is right behind my actual camera that's on the ring light. So I gotta do like the intro part to my TikTok. That's probably gonna take a while. So y'all can watch me do that. Y'all can just hear me talking. All right. Oh, my TikTok. Forgot. Can y'all hear it? Alright, cool. So now we're gonna get into it. Let me come over here. That's probably ugly. Okay guys, so I got that part over with. I did the intro part to my TikTok. So now I'm going to move on to actually trying on my clothes for you guys. So I'm gonna take it out the bag. I think y'all can see like me sit on the floor if I do. No, y'all can't. Never mind. I'll just stand up. So first right here, I got these green sweatpants. I need to order my Yeezy slides to go with this. And I want some more Yeezy shoes to go with this. So I got this. It's green sweatpants and it has a sweatshirt to go with it. Let me see if I can pull that out. So here's the green sweatshirt. By the way, this is a Pretty Little Thing haul. Pink sweatpants like that. And I got pink sweatshirt to go with it. I want some customized Crocs to go with this. And I might get my logo actually imprinted on that. Imprinted? Did I even say that right? I don't know. Okay. And I got this dress. But I'm not taking pictures of none of this stuff until I get my hair done again. And I get my shoes that I want. Okay. I ordered this flannel because I like wearing oversized flannel like with my biker shorts and stuff, or like sweat, you know, I just put it with my outfit. I didn't expect it to come in looking like this. It don't look like the same as it did in the picture. Maybe I didn't look as closely, but I don't know. Not what I was looking forward to getting. So this is a black sweatsuit. It's more like, I don't know if it's fitted or not. It looked like it is because I got it in a petite. I don't know if these are the petite too because, you know, I'm small and stuff. I don't know, but this is black. And this is just a plain white hoodie. Can't go wrong with it. I mean, and this is a bag that I bought. I guess I can open that now. I can't actually. I can open this now. I was gonna carry this as a school bag. Well, Mom wanted me to get a book bag so bad, so she bought me a book bag, a Nike book bag, but it's smaller than I thought. But I was gonna carry this, but looks like this is gonna be a spend the night bag for me. Cause never mind, this is not a big enough spend the night bag for me the way I pack. I mean, Yeah, I mean, this be my, like, you know, I don't know what kind of bag this can be, y'all. I mean, why did I get this? I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I'm gonna take this back. I'm gonna return this and that flannel because what did I get it for? I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna try it on. Which one first? I don't know. I think we should go with let's go with the white sweatshirt, I guess. Here's my hoodie, guys. Really cute. Here's my hoodie. I still got the tag on here. It's an extra small, so you know it's really it feels good. It's really soft on the inside. There's a pocket. It's really comfortable. I like how it looks right here. I like how it's not like the regular, you know. Okay, so yeah, this is the white hoodie. Really cute. Basic, whatever, you know. So yeah, little bag. This bag is bigger than me. Anyways, I gotta finish my TikTok, so let's do that. I need a new phone case, y'all guys, but I'm gonna get it because after I do this video, I have like a video that I'm gonna do that hopefully you guys really enjoy. But yeah, I'm actually really excited for that next video I'm gonna do. Yeah. And with this TikTok, you're gonna like it if I put an outfit with it. So I'm gonna put on some Jordans. Turn the TV down. I had to tell mom to turn the TV down. Okay, y'all. Let me do this TikTok. I lied. So I said I was gonna get some Jordans. I don't know why I can't find my forgot the name, but the white Jordans. Anyways, these white Jordans, I lied. I didn't get them. I couldn't find them, so I gotta put these on. So just for the TikTok, y'all can see my white socks. Ugh. What should I do? That's good. Next, let's maybe I should have did it with my bag. Y'all think so? Which one did I did this one. I don't know. We'll do the black sweatsuit first. So did that. Let's see how it looks so far.
I got more bucks, got more white than a bitch named Madonna. Little nigga, come check my status. Hotter than the sun. I got more bucks, got more white than a bitch named Madonna. Little nigga, come check my status.
Yeah, that's the TikTok. I don't know the words. I know I just messed up on the words. Okay. Alright guys, so this is this outfit. It's cute. This is a size 2, I think. Let me see. Yeah, so these joggers are a size 2 and this is a size 2 as well. And these are both from the petite section of Prettylittlething. So if you're petite, then yeah. It's really cute. It's really comfortable. The arms are kind of tight a little bit, but like it's not like uncomfortably tight. So yeah, this is his outfit. Really cute, comfortable. Now I'm gonna record a TikTok. So I mean, now I gotta record. I gotta finish my TikTok. I just wanted to see something.
Mike ain't never.
It's outfit, y'all. My face got straight so fast. I'm gonna start that over. This is gonna stress me out.
Mike ain't never.
There go TikTok doing that crunchy sound. I've been seeing a lot of TikToks and a lot of creators saying that they TikTok, whenever they make TikToks, been doing that noise. Which way did I walk last time? So I'll go this way.
Mike ain't never.
Alright, hopefully that was cute. That was cute. Let me check something. This is what it looks like so far.
Hotter than the sauna. I got more bucks, got more white than a bitch named Madonna. Little nigga, come check my status. Mike ain't never. Hotter than the sauna. I got more bucks, got more white named Madonna. Little nigga, come check my status. Mike ain't never.
Alright, I'm about to finish this. So next we gonna do the green one. Let's get to it. Or get booted. Y'all, I like this. It's cute. It's cute. Oh, it's a 0. Okay, y'all, so I just recorded this one. Now I gotta record in this pink one and this white dress. I like this hoodie. It's comfortable, and I'm gonna try on the pink ones. Also, this sweatsuit feels like a little bit bigger than the one the green one. It feels a little bit bigger than that one. It feels more like looser, but like it's okay. It's still comfortable. It's really comfortable. Yeah, it's pink. It's a size 2. Oh no, 0. I lied. 0. It's a size 0. Cute. I got it with my Steve Madden slides on. Yeah, it's cute. It's really comfortable. I think I was like this. Yeah.
Average, I make it.
Guys, I'm sorry. So I was like getting my camera adjusted on my phone for TikTok, and I just came across like a really cute filter, y'all. Please tell me this don't look cute. Look. Like, look at this. Like, I like it. It's so vintage. Ah! Okay, sorry. Anyways, I have a dress that I bought. It's really cute. It's kind of like, I don't think it's like, never mind, it's not that short. Yeah, it's cute, it's comfortable. I probably like could put like a corset or like a belt or something with it. Yeah, and like this is, I didn't button it all the way. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like all the way. This is what it looks like with one button open. Like this. I will not be wearing it like this because this is ugly. But yeah, let me button this back up because I look stupid. I look like a chef. Okay, I'm about to do the TikTok.
I got more bucks, got more white than a bitch named Madonna. Little nigga, come check my status. Mike ain't never been average. I make it happen.
Maybe I should just walk forward, not do all that posing stuff. Y'all. Ah!
Hotter than the sun.
No.
6 hours later.
Okay.
Hotter than the sun. I got more bucks, got more white than a big Madonna. Little nigga, come check my status. Mike ain't never been average. I make it happen. Hotter than the sun. I got more bucks, got more white than a bitch named Madonna. Little nigga, come check my status. Mike ain't never been average. I make it happen. Hotter than the sauna. I got more bucks, got more white than a bitch named Madonna. Little nigga, come check my status. Mike ain't never been average. I make it happen.
That's the end of my clothing haul, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me close it out right here. That's the end of this clothing haul video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow my Instagram at Itskaliyahmarie, and follow my Instagram business page at kaliyahmarie.co, because I have something really special coming soon. Like soon, guys, soon. So stay tuned on my main page and definitely my business page, because I'm trying to grow that page. Make sure you be on the lookout for my TikTok too, and that is at Itskaliyahmarie as well. And yeah, guys, I hope you really guys enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite outfit was, and let me know if you need to know any information about anything that I bought. Everything was either a 0 or extra small. Let me know if you guys want any information, further information, in the comment section below. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video that's coming up after this one, because guys, it's probably going to be a banger. It's not something new, but it's something new, you feel me? So yeah, guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Bye.